So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and update your Fitbit Sense 2. Now you can update really any Fitbit by following this tutorial, and it really is a pretty basic process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have the Fitbit application. So make sure you have your phone and your Fitbit app because you cannot do this without the Fitbit application. So what you're going to want to do now is you want to go and open up the Fitbit app, and it will take you into this page, either this page or this page. You basically want to go ahead and tap on your Fitbit, which is right here. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on Update Tracker, which is right here. So when you click on this, it's going to go ahead and say, update your Sense 2. And what's going to say is it's going to go through and basically go ahead and essentially, it says use Sense 2 with the Fitbit app to whatever. What you can do is you can scroll through this, and then what you can do is click I agree at the very bottom. So what you can do is you can go and click I agree, and then you can go and click on, you can see, update your Sense 2, you can see this information, and then you can go and click on next. So click on next, and if there's an update available, it's going to go ahead and update your watch for you. And it says, new software update is required, and it may take up whatever. It says battery's too low, so make sure it's on charge or charged up. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So at this point, that's kind of all you're going to have to do, and it'll update your watch. So that's pretty much all you got to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.